How to change your Gmail password on mobile and desktop. Changing the password on your smartphone. Open the Gmail application. Click on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on the Manage Your Google Account button. After opening your Google account page, you need to select the Security tab. Scroll down the page and select the Password section. Gmail will ask for your current account password. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. After entering it, a page will open where you can set a new password. You must enter a new password in the New Password and Confirm New Password fields. Then click the Change Password button. Change Gmail password using computer. Launch your web browser, find and open the Gmail website. After this, you need to log into your account. To do this, you need to enter your email and password to log in. Click on the Next button. The email page will open. Next, you need to click on the icon in the upper right corner of the page. In the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. In the Settings page that opens, select the Security section. In this section, select Password at the bottom. Here we enter a new password in the New Password and Confirm New Password fields. And click the Change Password button. Your password will be changed. Thank you for watching.